Good day. Here is the part 1 list of commonly used adjectives. In order to have a good practice, kindly record while reading the adjective loud and clear. This program is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. By the way, adjective is a word that describes a noun.
Adjective is a word that describes a noun.
In this video, we are going to listen to RM, a grade 2 pupil who perfectly pronounced the list of commonly used adjectives. Take it away, RM.
Adjective is a word that describes a noun. Good, courageous, adventurous, cooperative, alert, aggressive, first, last, long, great, little, own, other, old, right, big, high, different, small, large. Next, early, young, few, public, bad, same, adorable, amiable, amused, pleasing, appetizing, average, beautiful, exasperated, blushing, bored, brave, bright, dim, broad, bulky, burly, charming, graceful, cheerful, glorious, careful, grieving, handsome, lovely, lonely, lively, lucky, large, huge, salty, round, sarcastic, nervous, naughty, simple, nasty, appealing, chubby, clear, clean, lean, cloudy, clueless, clumsy, cool, creepy, crooked, boiling, cumbersome, curved, cynical, dangerous, daring, delicious, disturb, dreadful, dizzy, dull, drained, adorable, deceitful, dashing, decayed, deep, boastful, helpless, helpful, hungry, hollow, shallow.
Watch our part 2 of the list of adjectives. Inaanyayahan ko ang mga kabataan na gustong sumali sa libreng tutorial ng IVFC. Sali lang po kayo from Mondays to Saturdays. See you there!